Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Kayla.
Kayla is learning how to play Crocodile Rock on the piano, while Emma, a different voice student, is singing it. So Kayla's been learning the cheater's way of playing the piano, because she's actually a voice student, but she's learning how to play the piano to accompany herself with just like how to play chords. So we're gonna make this little tutorial on how to shape your hands for these chords, just like the short, fast, easy way. If you don't know how to play piano, that way if she gets confused when she gets home, hopefully this will be helpful.
Do you want me to try to hold it while you do it?
Yeah. Can you see? Because you're the one who has to look at it. Okay. So for the introduction, you put your left hand in G position like this. Can you see? Yeah. Okay. So first you play a G, and then you stretch your thumb, but leave the other fingers in place, and play E, and then put your thumb back and play C, and then D. And the whole pattern actually is you play each finger twice. So you play G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, E, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. And then for the verse, you have to play a G again, and you have to play a B, and then a C, and then a D. So you just repeat that pattern 2 times in a row, and you play each chord twice, like this. G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, and then you do it again. Was a thing called the Crocodile Rock, while the other kids were rocking round the clock. We were hopping and popping to the Crocodile Rock. Well, and that's how that goes. Then you come to the chorus, stretch your thumb up again, leave your other fingers in place. E, E, put your thumb back, and then push the A with your 4th finger. It's the first time we have the A. Then D, G, E, another A, D, and then this part's different than anywhere else in the song. It's only in the chorus. You play C, G, C, G. Okay, and then the right hand, and then the rest of the song is just repeating those same things over. So then the right hand, here, maybe I can, try to make sure you get the black keys in, so, okay. So G, we're gonna play like this. Oh, no, just kidding. Like this. So you have these 3 keys, and you should use these 3 fingers. And then E minor, lift up the 2 and put down the 3. It's hard at this angle, so you'll have those 3. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so again we have G, E, and then you just take your thumb and put it up here for the C, and then move all 3 of these fingers up for the D. And you just play each chord 2 times. Let me do it up a little higher because that kind of hurts my arm to stretch that way. Okay, so can you get the black keys in there? Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we have G, G, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. That's the introduction and the interlude and the outro. Then for the verse, it's just those same chords except for you also have a B minor. So you have G, then lift up your 2, bring your 3 over, and put your 4 on this black key. So you have these 3. So that's B minor. So you go G, and then you go B minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for B, you just slide up. So B, C. And then after C, you slide everything up, just like in the introduction to D. So it's like, I remember when rock was young, me and Susie had so much fun, holding hands and skimming stones, at an old gold Chevy in a place of my own, but the kids were rocking round the clock. We were hopping and bopping to the Crocodile Rock. Well, and that's the verse. And then this is E minor for the chorus. So this was regular E, this is E minor. So E minor, and then we're just gonna do this without the 7th chord, so we'll switch those 2 fingers, move this finger up here, and then move your thumb here. Oh, I think the keys aren't showing. There. So we have, and then D, you leave the pinky in place, lift up the 2, put the 3 down on the black key, and that's it. You've already had all the other chords, so it's like E minor, A, 7, D. I said a number, not a letter, and then G. And then at the end of the chorus, you just go C, G, C, G. So the whole chorus is like E 2 3 4, A 2 3 4, A 2 3 4, D 2 3 4, D 2 3 4, A 4, G 2 3 4, and then you do it again. A 2 3 4, A 2 3 4, D 2 3 4, D 2 3 4, and then here's the C, G, C, G. And then you just go back to the introduction again and do the same thing. So it's pretty easy. If you can just get from the introduction to the first instrumental interlude, that's the whole song, because the rest of the song is just the same thing again. Any questions? I like how your eyes like in the one sunbeam. Okay, well hopefully that'll be helpful. Hopefully you can see my hands. Thumbs up for Elton John.